Hello Muffins, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today's video is part 2 of the plastic bottle recycle series. So the materials that you require are a plastic bottle, some craft foam, super glue, cardboard, pen, scissors and a craft knife and a paper to make your template. In part 1, we recycled the bottom part of the bottle. Today, we are going to recycle the middle part of the bottle. Remove the label and cut off the top part like so. Don't throw off the top part, save it for another project. Also cut off the excess part on the bottom. We are only going to need the plain part in the middle. Smoothen the edges with a scissor. Trace the plastic piece on paper like so. Go ahead and make your template. I am making a kawaii fox. Cut off the template and leave it aside for the time being. Now trace the plastic piece on some waste cardboard. Cut it. You need 2 of these pieces. Take some black craft foam and glue one of the pieces on it. Cut off the excess. Repeat the same on the other piece. Now take some orange foam, glue it to the other side of the cardboard piece. Cut off the excess and repeat the same with the other piece. Take some super glue and glue one of the cardboard pieces to the plastic piece like so. Cut a piece of black foam about half an inch in width and glue it to the plastic piece like so. This will cover the cardboard and also give it a neater look. This will be the bottom of the container. Now cut a strip of foam about 3/4 inch in width. Glue it to the other cardboard piece like so. This will be the lid of the container. Now take your template. First I'm cutting off the ears and I cut orange and black foam pieces of the same size. I'm gluing the black piece over the orange piece like so. Next I cut a really thin strip of black foam and I will glue it to the ear piece like so. It will give the ears a neater look and also give it a sort of an outline. Then I cut the inner part of the ears, trace the same on some white foam. I then glued the white foam pieces to the ears. Next I glued the ears to the lid like so. Ensure that you glue the ears to the lid and not to the bottom part of the container. I then took the rest of the template and cut off the face part like so. I traced this piece on some white craft foam and cut it. I glued it to the lid like so. I then cut the eyes and the nose from some black craft foam and glued it to the face. I drew the mouth with a black marker. I drew some blush with a pink sketch pen and smudged it with a Q-tip like so. Then I made a bow with some pink craft foam and glued it like so. A DIY plastic container is now ready. I'm using this container to store the cotton pads that I use to remove my makeup. You can use it to store pins, jewelry or stationery. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye-bye.